Hey, this is just Dad here, and today I'm gonna be taking. Well, actually, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna have my grandson, my 9-year-old grandson, take my fairing off of my silver Thruxton in preparation of getting ready to go to Bonneville. At Bonneville, we're gonna put on the big fairing. This is the big fairing that we're gonna be putting on not today, but a little bit later, and after I get the valves done on the bike.
Hi, I'm Caleb, and I'm going to be taking this fairing off of the motorcycle.
Right there. Occasionally, Caleb and I work together out in the shop. We work on projects. Sometimes he draws stuff up, like an airplane or something, and we'll get the materials and we'll make an airplane, or we work on lawnmowers, we work on the motorcycles, or he works on my little car, my little Austin Healey car. Caleb's a little smaller than I am, so it's easy for him to get to some of the spots. But we're working mainly on problem solving. So what I asked Caleb to do today is to help me with doing this. So I let him come out here to the shop to kind of look and see what he thought he needed to do to take the this fairing off and leave the metal bracket, because the metal bracket we're going to use as the mounting spot for the big fairing. Caleb has found another screw that he needs to remove. He's going to find out that some of this stuff doesn't work. Okay, Caleb's found out that that tool doesn't work, so he's got to get something to match up. Good. You didn't break it. help you here. Just take it off and set it on the ground. Caleb, why are you putting the screws back in?
That way we don't lose them.
Well, Caleb's putting the screws back in on this. Well, how was that, Caleb?
It was easy peasy.
There you go. You heard it from the 9-year-old. Easy peasy. Caleb, thank you very much for your help here. Are you going to help me put this new fairing back on?
Yes.
You think it's going to be very hard?
No.
He's wrong. It will be. This is just Dad for today. Thank you.